Let's begin lying down on your mat, with your feet flat on the floor and your knees bent. Bring your hands alongside your rib cage. Bring your awareness into your breath and begin to breathe in through your nose, expanding your rib cage into your hands. And as you exhale, begin to pull your belly button down towards your spine, scooping your abdominals in and up. Take 3 to 5 breaths just like this, expanding your ribs on the inhale and scooping your abdominals in on your exhale, letting your low back become heavy into the mat. Now we're going to move into clockwork, making a diamond with your hands. Place those on your hip bones. Keep scooping your abdominals down towards your spine. Clockwork helps us to determine what neutral pelvis is, so that throughout our work we can work a neutral pelvis. Imagine you have a cup of hot tea sitting right on your abdominals. You're going to rock your pelvis forward so the tea would spill towards your knees and you would feel your low back lift away from the mat. Then gently bring your pelvis back into neutral so that your spine lays in neutral as well. Then tilt your pelvis up towards you so that your low back imprints and the tea on your abdominals would spill towards your face. Now bring your pelvis back into neutral. As you find neutral pelvis and neutral spine, keep zipping your abs down and up towards your heart like you're about to put on your favorite pair of skinny jeans, zipping up the abdominals all the way through the top. Now we're going to move into rib cage arms. Extend your arms over your shoulders with your palms facing forward. Lift your arms up with your fingertips reaching towards the ceiling. As you reach your arms back, scoop your abs in and keep your low back and your ribs connected to the mat. Inhale and bring the arms back up towards the ceiling, and as you exhale, bring them back down by the side. Rib cage arms teaches us how to move our arms while stabilizing our shoulder. Be mindful that as you're reaching your arms forward and backwards, that you're not arching the back or flaring the ribs. After you've done 3 to 5 of the arm reaches, go into circles doing 3 to 5 in each direction. Again, being mindful that your abdominals are scooping in, your low back stays connected to the mat, and your ribs don't flare as you reach the arms overhead. Now we're moving into neck curls. Taking a deep breath in as you exhale, scoop your abs in and peel your head and shoulders off of the mat, keeping the very bottom tip of your shoulder blades down on the mat. The goal of neck curls is to teach us how to lift our head and shoulders by using our abdominals. Do anywhere from 3 to 5, just being mindful to keep the low back connected and scooping the abs to lift up the head, neck, and shoulders. Now we'll move into knee folds or toe taps. Bring your right leg into tabletop and then bring your left leg into tabletop. Bring your right leg down and then your left leg down. Then left leg up, right leg up. Left leg down, right leg down. Right leg up, left leg up. Right leg down, left leg down. Keep alternating. Knee folds or toe taps help us use our abdominals to stabilize our pelvis while we move the leg away from the body. Be mindful here that your low back is not arching away from the mat, so keep scooping your abdominals in to keep your low back protected. Once you've done those 3 to 5 on each side, we'll change that by alternating. So as you bring the right leg down, keep the left leg up, and then keep alternating legs as you just gently tap the floor and keep your abdominals scooped in and up. Now we'll move into bridges. Walk your feet closer towards your body so that your heels are under your knees, or you can almost touch your heels. Pressing your forearms into the ground, peel your spine up off the mat, bone by bone. And then as you roll down, bone by bone. Bridges help to open up the hips, strengthen the back of the body, as well as teach us spinal articulation. Do anywhere from 3 to 5 of these before moving on to the next exercise. Just be mindful that your knees and your hips don't shift from side to side as you peel your spine up and down the mat. Now we'll move into leg slides. Leg slides again teach us how to stabilize our torso and our pelvis as we move our legs away from our body. Scooping your abs in, just gently slide your foot across the floor until your leg is fully extended, and then slide it back in. Do 3 to 5 on each side, watching that the knee that is bent doesn't roll from side to side, or that your pelvis doesn't shift from side to side, and that your abs stay scooped in. Next, we're going to move into a prep for the 100 that I like to do. Bring both legs up into tabletop, using your abdominals to hold them into the air. Extend your hands to the ceiling with your palms facing forward. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, peel your head and shoulders up and reach your fingers forward. Hold here for a full breath in and a full breath out. Inhale, reach to the ceiling. Exhale, lower your head and shoulders. I would do anywhere from 3 to 5 of these, just helping to warm up the body and the abdominals. On the inhale, scoop your abs in. Exhale, peel your head and shoulders forward. Reach forward, look into your abs. Hold for a full breath. And then inhale, arms up to the ceiling. Exhale, lower head and shoulders. After you've done 3 to 5, hug your knees in, lower your head and shoulders, and give yourself a good squeeze. Now we'll move into our modified 100. Peel up your head and shoulders, bring your hands by your side, and your legs back up into tabletop. Begin pumping the arms from the upper back, maintaining the stability of your head, neck, and shoulders, like you're slapping water or bouncing a ball. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 for a count of 10. Do this 10 times for 10 full breaths or 100 pumps of the arms. When you're done, hug your knees into your chest and lower head, neck, and shoulders.